I believe it has been. Okay, so here's another chart I wanted you to look at. So this is my silly money, fast money, not all silly, but fast money, kind of animal spirits money versus solid balance sheet heroes, as I call them, the Mag 7. Outside of Tesla, this is going to be an indication of where those animal spirits are kicking in again, where that skew might continue to move up. That's going to go hand in hand, that last chart, with what we're looking at here. So this is over the last 5 years. We can see that back then, this is showing your relationship of silly money versus solid balance sheet, very dependable kinds of tech money. And we can see things got crazy in 2021 into COVID and work from home and meme stocks going bananas. And then it completely unraveled over the next year and basically hit the lows in April, May of 2022. And since then has pretty much gone sideways. Let's take a look at what's starting to happen. Well, we're getting back to this line that we bounced our head off of since early 2023. Here we are, we pushed through, pulled back down. Now we're going to move above the 200-day moving average of this relationship, which shows is, in this part of it, we see that the silly money is ceding leadership to the big cap money. Then here the silly money is starting to outperform the big cap money. This doesn't mean one is necessarily going down versus the other. This is a relationship, right? So this chart can go up and still have the silly money do well and still have the smart money do well. This is just an indication, and that's why I talked about Cathie Wood when we started off, is she is going to be an indication of, is this kind of market returning to us? And I believe it has been. We've done well in Leaps Trader. We made a ton of money on ARC and a number of names that are playing this theme. When this starts to break out again, we're going to be looking at all kinds of other things that are going to be exciting as well. Now, you want to be careful. You don't want to be in just any willy-nilly kind of stock, but this is going to be kind of a tide floats a lot of boats type scenario. So it's going to be pretty fantastic to watch. But once we get this relationship up into probably the 31-32 range in terms of the ratio here, I think this is going to start to look very, very interesting.